Hi guys, Pitbeard here, and tonight for you I'm going to pick this little lever lock. Some of you may recognise the FB, it's just not some random stamping on it, it's a fire brigade lock. They are dotted in and around areas where the fire brigade need to gain access to certain areas quickly, and they carry, for want of a better word, I wouldn't say it's a master key, it's a key that fits all FB locks, or fire brigade locks. So on that principle, I'm kind of loath to show you the key bitting of it, just because a duty of care and everything else. They're not hard to come by, you can pick them up on eBay, on Amazon, and the keys as well. But I'll just show you I have a working key for it. It's my own little thing. Anyway, here we go. So I'll try my best not to show the key as such. Key in. This is the whole bunch of fire brigade keys. So there we go. Unlocked. Locked up. I know it's daft because I'm now going to show you how I pick this lock, but that bit takes skill. Buying the keys, copying the keys, well, copying the keys would take skill, but buying the keys doesn't. And yeah, I have told you where to buy them from, but that's your choice. My choice is not to show you what the key looks like. Anyway, long story sideways, Animac tension tool, brilliant little kit that he made. Just showing you that just turning that will not open it. He's good, but he ain't that good. Animac wire, bit dirty now, but I'm sure you can all tell. Nice trademark little bend, and it's nice and shiny. It would be if it was on my camera, but hey ho. And the trickiest bit, as I'm sure you all know, is getting the wire in the lock. Right. So, as Andy would say, make sure you've got some movement in there, a little bit of tension, and let's find some levers. This isn't a tricky lock, so don't think I am some sort of picking wizard, because I don't know if this has even got two levers in it. It's not a hard lock to pick. There you go, done. So turn it, open. I'm going to turn it back and lock it up because I haven't turned it fully. There you go. I'll get the key again, show you it works. Open. Lock back up again. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Pitbeard out.